core system libraries failing because of the Schedsvc Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. Avoid long manual edits for Schedsvc Library by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the Schedsvc Library, the core task scheduler service library. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of scheduled tasks, triggers, and background jobs. If missing, the task scheduler will report the service is unavailable, and automated system maintenance will fail. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. This error typically involves a protected Windows system file. Open Command Prompt with administrator privileges and run sfc/scan now to verify system integrity and restore damaged files like Schedsvc Library DLL. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Schedsvc library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Most individual downloads of Schedsvc Library DLL lack a valid digital signature, meaning they have not been verified for authenticity or safety by the original software developer. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. The link below references a primary diagnostic resource for reviewing Schedsvc Library and system configuration. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Schedsvc Library error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.